New tonight, a unique sporting event has been underway in Balboa Park the past couple of days. An aerial drone competition for students.
News 8's Shannon Handy shares how its popularity has taken off in tonight's Innovate 8 report.
This is a first for me. I have never been to a drone competition. It's unlike anything I've ever seen. There are nearly 100 student teams here from all over the Western region, as well as some international ones.
If you're not convinced flying drones is a sport, don't say that to these middle and high school kids.
Heads up, heads up, heads up!
Or their fans, who would have to disagree.
It is a sport because it involves teams, it involves training, it involves practice, it involves conditioning, everything.
Harry Chia traveled with a team from Canada to compete in the West Aerial Drone Championships, a trek that shows just how serious these students are.
55 seconds.
This group of middle schoolers from American Samoa traveled the furthest.
Everybody loves it. We love the cold weather. The hotel's really nice, and we've been having fun.
Did you say cold weather?
Yep, cold weather.
Held inside the Balboa Park Activity Center, the two-day event is hosted by San Diego's Parks and Rec Department and the San Diego Parks Foundation.
We do a lot of the qualifying events at local recreation centers.
What a wonderful turnout with this 400 kids from all over the United States and 3 different countries.
The aerial drone competition was created in 2020 by the Robotics Education and Competition Foundation. That first year, there were just 191 teams. Today, more than 2,200 compete worldwide.
We see this as the future with this robotics, and these kids are at the forefront in the beginning of this particular type of technology.
Teams are made up of 3 to 6 students. They take on different roles from coding the drone to piloting it.
It's very fun to be able to work with my team and being able to learn how to troubleshoot and learning how drones work.
My strategy is there's another mode on the controller which makes it go even faster, which no teams know about.
8th grader Rito Chavez is a pilot for Millennial Tech Middle School, one of just 3 San Diego middle schools competing.
It's what we build for all year.
To keep things fair, every team uses the same drone built by local company Robolink.
The drones actually have 7 different programmable sensors on CoDrone EDU. This season's mission is called Time Warp, so it's got a specific theme every year, and kids get to kind of dive into that theme and challenge.
At the end, winners will be crowned Best in the West and earn a spot at the National Drone Competition later this spring. Shannon Handy, News 8.
Well, for me, like as a high schooler, that just would have been fun. Right? Just cool and fun. But the fact that they just take it to the next level, they're so smart programming it, figuring these things out, and that's where the economy's headed, right?
And the kids can, tinker, play with joysticks, do all the things with the parent support.
And you can attest this, like the robotics thing definitely played a role in keeping your son interested in it, and happens to be a very, good electrical engineer.
Yeah, it's great.